Welcome to Smart Grid Infotech. Discover a new world of clean energy. Today, we are presenting installation of 10 kilowatt solar on-grid system at Khairthabad. Here we have installed 17 numbers of 610 watt peak top-in bifacial solar panels of premier brand. This installation will save up to Rs 12,000 electricity bill per month. Here installed 10 kilowatt solar on-grid inverter of Khairthabad brand. Solar panel structure manufactured and supplied by Henu Infra. This comes with 30 years of solar panel warranty, 7 years of inverter warranty, 5 years of free service.